Hello and welcome dear students, as we have already studied slide section and font section of this PowerPoint. Now in this lecture we will learn how we can work with this paragraph section and use its commands to make our presentation more attractive and more beautiful. For that we have already two slides in our presentation and we will make a new slide with two content, and for example we have made this list of input and output devices. First of all, let us change its font style to Arial, and by this command we can now, for example, here input and output devices. Now in this section we will add a few input devices. For that we will place a bullet in front of this input devices. For that we can choose any type of bullet from here and we will apply the same to this one. Now we have to click on this drop down arrow and we can choose. So after this we will add a number of input as well as output devices in this section. For example, we have input devices like keyboard, and in output devices monitor, we have printer, etc. So now we have included a bullet before each point. Now we will change this bullet to any other style and we can make a number list by choosing this command. So this is an unordered list and here is an ordered list. So you can now see how we have used these two commands. These are bullets and this is numbering. We can change the space between lines. So for that we will move on to our previous slide and we will select this text and we will change the line spacing for this particular section. For now let us set it to 1.5 and actually this section is already divided into two columns, so we can change it to one column or two or three columns. For that we have this command available in this section. For example, let us change it to one column. So now this is changed to one column. We can make it three columns also. We can change it to two columns. So after this we will now learn how to change the alignment of our text. For that we will add a new slide here and we will try to add a text in this slide. For example, software. If I want to write from left to right, for that this is an alignment which is called as left alignment, and we have this center alignment and also we have right alignment. We can align our text to right, left, or to our desired location. For example, I want to take my text to this point. For that we can easily add a space or we can use the tab button on our keyboard to take this text to here. But for example, in some cases we want to take all the text in center of our slide. For that we will just add the center alignment, and after that whatever we will type here, it will be written in the center. Or else if we want to write from left right side, for that we have this right alignment, and we have shortcut keys also for these types of alignment. For example, if I will be selecting this text and I will press Ctrl L, so it will be aligned, our text or our paragraph will get aligned to left. And after that, for example, if I want to align it on the right side, for that we have shortcut key Ctrl R, and for center alignment we have Ctrl E. So now we have learned how we can change the alignments of our text. So this was the horizontal alignment of our text. Now we will learn how we can change our text vertically. For that, we have this command available in paragraph section. Here you can see there are three types of alignments: top, middle and bottom. That means we can align our text vertically at any appropriate location. After that, we have more commands available with us. That is, we can rotate our text to any position, to any angle, whatever we want. We can rotate it 90-degree, clockwise or anti-clockwise, whatever we want in our slide. We can apply that change to our text. For that, this is the particular option available for changing the angle of our text, for rotating it. So after this, we have a good command available, which is, by using this command we can change our text to any smart art. We have more number of things available with us. So here we can choose any different smart art from this list. For example, let's choose this one. So now we can change its design, and in this similarly we can change its color by choosing any color from these. So now we have learned a few commands from this paragraph section. These were the useful commands which we can work with. So this was all about paragraph section.